Hey everybody, I'm Isaac Raymond. I'm going to be your teacher for mathematics for the liberal arts. Just want to make a quick video to give you a rundown of how the course works. When you go to Canvas, when you go to Doral College's Canvas where all the courses are, you'll see something that looks similar to this. Some buttons you won't see over here because I have the instructor view. First place you'll want to go is the syllabus. Okay, you can go ahead and check out the syllabus on your own. I won't bore you by reading off every detail. The one thing I always like to highlight is the bottom line here. For the course, homework is 30%. The homework are your Newton assignments each week. The discussions are 10% of the grade. Tests are 40%, and then there's 2 projects that are worth 20% of your grade. Before we get too far along, the one thing that usually gets forgotten in this course is the discussion board rubric. Okay. Students don't check that. I grade the discussion, and they're like, hey, why did you take points off? Well, I used the rubric, okay, and it's explained all in the rubric. Look, if you open it up, the 2 big things that students miss are that the initial post is due by Thursday, which means you've given your own thoughts on the discussion prompt for that week. And then 2 responses to classmates are needed, okay? So just make sure to watch out for that. Before I lose you in this video, before it gets too boring and to skip to something else, I just want you to leave knowing that's how the discussion board's graded. Initial post, then make 2 responses to classmates. So make sure to read the rubric through so that you can get full points. But what you want to do each week when you sign in, obviously you're probably going to want to come back multiple times throughout the week, but your Chapter 1 homework is right here for week 1. If you click on that, here I have to configure the course, I guess. I thought I had this one all set up, but here, maybe I have it in this one. Okay, yeah, that one works. You'll see something that looks like this probably when you click it. If it doesn't automatically come up, then Newton has to do just like a first account creation process. Make sure not to pay for anything, okay? If you're signing up for the course, you don't pay for anything. Doral College takes care of that on our end, so if you see something like that, send me a message because that means Newton hasn't hooked something up properly on their end. But this is what your homework will look like. They're asking us to find the pattern and use inductive reasoning to predict the next number in the sequence. So if 100 goes to 50, 50 goes to 80, 80 goes to 40, 40 goes to 70, 70 goes to 30. So it looks between the first and the second term, we're dividing by 2. Between the second and third term, we added 30. Third and fourth term, we divide by 2. Fourth and fifth term, we add by 30. So cut in half, add 30. So this one should be 65. Okay, so you'll see your progress, and it has all the different topics you have to complete for the week. Okay, so that's what you got to do for each week's homework. You got to complete the chapter homework assignment. Let's see. Grades should be automatically carried over from Newton if they got that all in there, right? Look, there's videos here that I made. If you click Newton videos for week 1, there's a huge amount of videos each week to help you out. But it's for the first week or so. I don't have a video for every single topic. I'm more than happy to add more videos. What I just need from you is if you need a video, please send me the topic name, which means like if you're working on this question, like I don't know what this is talking about, just say, okay, my current objective is understand and use deductive reasoning. Can you make a video for this, Mr. Raymond, or Isaac, whatever you want to call me? And then I'll make a video for you, and I get back to students pretty quickly. So, okay, so that's what we do each week. We check out the assignments for the corresponding week and complete them. Later on in the course, we have discussion board 1 here. There's discussion board 2. Just make sure to watch out for those and make your initial post by Thursday when those come up. Later on in the course, you have your test. Just make sure to use the review center when doing your test. And then we also have a project. And the project, I can pull it up for you. The first project, it's just answering some like tougher applied problems. Okay, so it's you'll know what this is when you eventually do those topics. And then you can type it up, or you can write it up by hand and upload it under the project submission link. I don't care, whichever is easiest for you. So click that link, upload a file, and you should be good. Whatever's Word document written by hand. You could burn a log and use the charcoal to write it on a rock. Take a picture of the rock and upload that. Whatever you want to do. I think that's it. That's the big stuff in the course. if you want to message me, one way is to click this inbox button over here on the left, or you can click people, and you can just click my name, send me a message, and I'll be happy to help you out. Okay, I look forward to working with you. I like math a lot. When I was in school, I had some. I won't go into detail. I just think math is one of the most fair things we can study, right? It's either right or wrong, and there's a good reason for why it's right, good reason for why it's wrong. So I like math, so if you ask me for help, you're not burdening me. That's what I'm here for, and I have fun solving problems. So good luck to you. Just let me know when you need.